You will be listed on a national registry that is administered by the United Network for Organ Sharing, also known as UNOS. UNOS facilitates the organ matching and placement of donated organs. Your listing will reflect the University of Michigan Transplant Center as your service center. Gift of Life Michigan is the only federally designated organization in Michigan authorized to recover donated organs and tissue. When an organ becomes available, the local OPO runs the match list using the UNOS database and places offers to the transplant centers who serve the patients being offered the organ. To place your name on the wait list for a deceased donor organ, UNOS requires the following information: confirmation of blood type. 2 separate tests are required to confirm your blood type. Panel reactive antibody levels, or PRA. This identifies the antibodies you have that would cause a reaction against certain donors. Samples are only good for 60 days from the draw date. Antigen data and genetic markers. For matching purposes, 6 specific antigens are considered in the recipient and the donor. A 6-antigen match is considered a perfect match. The type of transplant being listed for: kidney, simultaneous pancreas and kidney, pancreas after kidney, and a pancreas alone. Dialysis start date. The dialysis start date will be entered for patients listed in the state of Michigan. For patients listed after they are on dialysis, their wait time will accrue from their dialysis start date, not their listing date. We generally list all patients for a deceased donor organ, even those planning for a living donor transplant. Doing so protects the patient by allowing them to accrue wait time while they pursue living donation. Occasionally, living donor transplants cannot be accomplished, and the accrued wait time has value for the recipient. Multiple listing allows a patient to be listed at 2 or more transplant centers in different donation service areas, or DSAs. There is no guarantee that multiple listing will shorten your wait time, although it is possible that it will. There are many things to consider in your decision whether to have multiple listings, such as the listing requirements for each institution you wish to be listed at, ongoing lab tests, travel, insurance coverage, and post-transplant care. Here are some things you should know. You can multi-list. The U of M Transplant Center accepts multi-list patients. We will transfer your records to other centers upon request, and we require written requests for transfers, switches in wait time, or primary wait time. If you are interested in multiple listing, please read the information on this in your patient education guide and discuss it with your transplant coordinator. Being active on the list means that your name would appear on a match list if an organ becomes available and that you would be able to come for a transplant. To remain active on the list, you must have an annual visit in our pre-kidney clinic. You must complete all requested and ongoing testing and have the results approved. You must use the kit we send each month to have your blood drawn and sent to our lab for tissue typing, which screens for new antibodies since your last sample. You will not receive an offer if your samples are greater than 60 days old. If you have a live donor in the evaluation process, you will be asked to submit monthly sera before being added to the wait list. Being on the list with the status of on hold means that if an organ becomes available, your name would not appear on the match run, so you would not be offered the organ. Patients still accrue wait time while they are on hold. You may be placed on hold for a variety of reasons, which may include a change in your health status, no current blood work, social goals that are incomplete, requested testing has not been completed, you are on a planned vacation out of the area, or we are unable to contact you. Your monthly blood draws are required when your status is on hold. Your listing will be returned to active status when you have met the criteria specific to your situation. You will want to use the time you are waiting for your transplant to learn about transplantation. We suggest that you read your patient education guide each month. It provides the information you will need to know in the general order it will occur. There is a list of transplant-related websites in the resource section of your patient education guide. These websites provide a wealth of information on a variety of aspects of transplantation. You may also find it helpful to attend support groups. Your social worker can assist you in finding a support group. It is important to keep all your clinic appointments. Stay in contact with your transplant coordinator, your financial coordinator, and your social worker. If you have questions, please contact your transplant coordinator. Having a stable support system is crucial in maintaining a positive attitude while you wait for a transplant. Make every effort to maintain strong connections with your family and your friends. If the support people who planned on helping you can no longer do so, please contact your transplant center social worker.